Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Nothing is doing a great job. They have been releasing software updates for all their smartphones available. In past, Nothing Phone 2a received, Nothing OS 2.5.5 followed by Nothing Phone 2, and today Nothing Phone 1 have also got this update. So in this video we'll talk about every change, what this update brings on the table for Nothing Phone 1. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, here I have my Nothing Phone 1 which I've already updated to the latest build which I received via OTA update. So if you guys haven't received the OTA update, just go to about section and check for the notification. You can see currently my device is running Nothing OS 2.5.5, and the good part is this update brings 1st May 2024 security patch, and it was a huge update. You can see a lot of changes, and if I talk about the update size, which was 180 MB. And guys, before moving ahead, we have 87% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And now let's start with the changes. So first change, soon you install the update, you will find it in the wallpaper section. So now Nothing have added few new set of wallpapers which wasn't present previously. So in total 7 new wallpapers have been added by Nothing, and this thing I forgot to mention in my Nothing Phone 2 video, which also got the similar changes. Though these changes are not mentioned in the change logs, but you can find a new set of wallpapers in the wallpaper section. And now ChatGPT integration is also available on all the Nothing phones present on this table. Only left out device was Nothing Phone 1, but now they have added. So first of all, if you want to enjoy the ChatGPT integration, then you first need to download the application which is ChatGPT. You can download it from the Play Store. Related to ChatGPT, first integration is done in the Nothing X application. I also spoke about this in a previous video in which I did mention that now you can start a voice conversation with ChatGPT if you have Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear A. But we had Nothing Ear 2, so we cannot use this service. But if you guys have Nothing Ear and Ear A, then you can use this voice conversation service. As per the changelog, slowly they'll be integrating with other Nothing products too. And after that, they have also added a new widget to trigger ChatGPT. So if you go to widget section, here you can see we have ChatGPT. There are 2 widgets. One is multiple and the second one is single. So first let's talk about the multiple widget. I'll place it on the home screen. And guys, to use all the services, you need to have ChatGPT 4 subscription. Otherwise, you won't be able to use all the services. So here you can see in this widget itself, you can scroll and use all 3 options. With the first one, you can directly open the ChatGPT application. With the second one, you can start the voice conversation. Soon you tap on it, you can see introducing voice conversation. Tapping on it, here you have the options to select voices. Accordingly, you can select, and later on, you can start the conversation with ChatGPT. With the third option, you can share images directly in the ChatGPT. You can click a picture and ask anything related to that picture. Talking about the other widget, so let me remove this one first. I'll add the second one, which is again single widget. So here you can use any input type, either voice, text, or image. Depending on what you use most of the time, you can select that widget. So this is the second implementation related to ChatGPT. And now third implementation is with the screenshot. So if I take a screenshot, you can see there's a new icon on the right top corner. Tapping on it, the image will be sent to ChatGPT, and now I can ask anything. For example, I'll ask to extract text. Let's see whether ChatGPT extracts the text from this given screenshot or not. And here you can see the text have been extracted. And you can use this service in many ways. So these are the ChatGPT integration, what you guys will see on Nothing Phone 1 with this latest update. And later on with the new features, now you can set Nothing icon pack only on the home screen. So soon you tap on the Nothing icon pack. Here you can see apply to home screen only. If you don't select this, the icon pack will be applied in the entire UI. But if you select that, now the icon pack will be only applied to the home screen. And guys, if you see all the applications are not adapting to Nothing icon pack, then you just have to go to Play Store, search for Nothing icon pack. So this is the one, just tap on it and install this icon pack. So before installing, let me show you here. You can see both these 2 applications are not being supported, but once the application got updated, now all the applications will support Nothing icon pack. And later on they say now you can scroll pages on the home screen while holding the application icon. Just long press on it and you can see you can do this. This is a widget. If I talk about the application also, that can also be done. I can hold the application and drag on different home screens. And now they have also added a custom option for enabling or disabling the quick setting pull down on the lock screen. So first let me lock the device. So here you can see it is now enabled. I can just disable it, and now if I lock the device, and now I won't be able to pull down the quick setting tiles. So this is the custom option what they have added, and if you enable it, and now let me lock the device and show you guys. Now I'm able to pull down the notification from the lock screen without unlocking the device. And later on, they have also provided an option for customizing which icons are displayed in the status bar, which can be found in the display settings. status bar, and here you can see you have all the options. According to your requirement, whichever icon you don't want in the status bar, that can be disabled from here. And on Nothing Phone 1 also we got the RAM booster option. I personally recommend not to use it because I have never found it helpful in the day-to-day usage. But if you guys want to try out, you have the ability to boost the RAM up to 8 GB. And after that, under improvements, they say they have integrated an AI-powered algorithm to the automatic brightness for smarter lighting adjustment. I tested out before and after updating the device. I personally did not see any kind of changes, but on the latest build I did notice little bit of flickering while brightness level was decreasing, which wasn't the case before updating. Let's see how AI adapts to my usage pattern and optimize the automatic brightness. That we'll get to know in the later run. And later on, they say they have updated the order of quick setting tiles for improved accessibility. You can see the screenshots which I took before updating the device. I personally did not notice any kind of changes. Or if they are relating to something else, do let us know in the comment section below. And now they have also added the animation in the quick setting tiles widgets. Previously, you can see the screen recording before updating the device. That time there was no animations, but now there are animations. You consider the entire pill color, or for example, if I tap on the torch, you can see animation. And the same thing goes here. There's a soft effect while enabling or disabling, which wasn't the case on previous build. They have also optimized the response speed of Bluetooth quick setting toggle. So yes guys, this was an issue on previous build. You can see the screen recording wherein it used to take some time if you want to enable or disable the Bluetooth, but now the response is quite fast and there's a noticeable improvement here. And at last, under improvements, they have enhanced the volume settings experience to make it more intuitive. After this, they have done few bug fixes related to Wi-Fi, which automatically used to disconnect. I never encountered these issues, so can't say much about it. They also resolved issues related to Bluetooth earbud volume not syncing with the phone volume, and some vibration feedback issues while swiping quickly in the back gesture. So about the bug fixes, we'll get to know once we start using this device as a primary phone. I'll soon drop an in-depth review. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions, do let us know in the comment section below. I'll try to take those comments which are important. So guys, these were all the changes what you'll find with Nothing OS 2.5.5 for Nothing Phone 1. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.